Never would have thought we'd make it here. Please know, wherever this life goes, this will be your home. You're never alone, my love. Remember, you're always enough. Hold on and never give up. You're never alone.
Welcome to Annapolis. All right, where are we today?
Annapolis, Maryland.
Back in Annapolis for a quick surprise. At the end of this video, don't miss that. But we're taking you back to the streets of downtown Annapolis. You can see it behind us here, I hope. Are you ready for a fantastic tour?
I am. Yeah,
And
I
it's
love
a-
it here.
And
Love
it's,
it.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Perfect. Yep.
Make sure you...
Like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
Oh yeah, let's get into it. And this is where you park, the Noah Hillman Garage. All right, and when you get done parking there, this Hillman parking lot is like very close to everything. That's why I recommend parking here. But it takes you right out to Main Street and walk down some of these streets in Annapolis. They are just beautiful. There's the old bay sign. You know we're getting close to the harbor. Ah, finally, we're back in Annapolis to show you another tour here. Look up the street. It's great here in Annapolis. You gotta come here for sure. Make sure you're looking up. But right here on Main Street, I see it is a Starbucks. I knew my wife was going in there to get a coffee. What'd you get?
Mocha.
What kind?
Mocha.
Just a mocha?
Hot mocha.
Here we are. We are like right downtown Annapolis right now. I'm going to do a 360. You can see over there where those tents are. That's where we'll be taking you. But over there's some great restaurants, the Mill Fine. There's, what is that? Hats in the Belfry. And there's O'Brien's. And this is where we're headed right now, up this hill. There's the Hats in the Belfry. Teriyaki House. But there's a place up here I want to show you. I might have to get one this time. All right, here's O'Brien's. This is a famous place right here in Annapolis. O'Brien's Oyster Bar and Seafood. Oh, make sure you're looking up. Look at the details on these buildings on this main street. Up here it is, this place here. It's called Chick and Ruth's Deli.
The one I got today.
This thing has the best milkshakes. Look at all these. All right, this is where they got that colossal milkshake. But man, you should smell the crab cake smell in here right now. Crazy, insane sea bags. Everything made out of sails in here. All right, here we go. We're almost at the top of the hill. You can tell because when you see the church, that's when you're at the end of Main Street. Well, not quite. You can keep going, but that's where the shops start. Go down the other side. Oh, and if you want a haunted ghost tour, come up here to where the Maryland Inn is. This place is old. Kind of looks like Bar Harbor right here. We're heading down to the water. Now we're heading down the other side of the street on Main Street, down towards where the boats are. And that thing I wanted to show you, it's close to the end.
Can you hear me wherever you are? I'm praying to angels and wishing on stars that we'll find each other no matter how far. 'Cause 5,000 miles
so much shopping in here. My wife wants to go check out the T-Shirt Factory. All kinds of shirts in here. Such a beautiful town, Annapolis. You gotta come here because there's so much to do. From the harbor to the main street to shop. Here's the general store. Oh man, my eye is drawn to the candy apples and the cookies. And make sure you're walking in all these shops. A lot of them are very nautical. Oh yeah, look, this place has got all kinds of little nautical stuff and gifts, souvenirs back in this way. There's Italian Grill. What is it, Mangia Sports Cafe. All right, look at this. This is the Middletown Tavern, 1750. But you walk back here and there's more restaurants. And they got this road kind of closed off. But if you want to eat, and you ought to just smell the seafood right now we're smelling. It is incredible. I tell you, this town is just spectacular. I love it here in Annapolis. There's so much to do. All right, you find this little pier here, which is right by the Fleet Reserve Club. And this is, you keep walking out here, and this is where they got the tours. But just walk out and see some of the boats. They are impressive. So there it is, Watermark Cruise and Tours. We've done that many times. Let's see what kind of tours they got there. Annapolis Harbor, Navy Academy, Spa Creek Cruise, Severna River Cruise. Now, I will tell you one thing. Annapolis is the sailing capital of the world. And you can see why out here. Look at all these sailboats. As far as you can see. Welcome to City Dock. This is where the seafood is. Ah, look, coming in here is the pirate ship. Oh, it's already got a load of people from somewhere coming in here. Oh yeah, that's the way to get around on the harbor. All right, you can see it there past that pirate boat. That is the Seafood Festival. I'm going to give you a quick tour in there because we've done it many times. All right, there's the dock. This is the creperie. I showed you that in my last video. I'll put links in the description. But when you come to Annapolis, you must come to the Naval Academy. Let's take a meander through here. Right there's the entrance to go in. But you can see up here, there's a map, and this place is huge. Over there you can see the church. All right, we just went through security at the Naval Academy, but what I want to see out here is along the water. But they have a great museum in here. You'll see people walking around, Navy PvP.
Faithfully discharge the duties of the office on which you are about to enter. So help you God.
They got their own electric cars in the Naval Academy. And when you're at the Naval Academy, come over to the water side. Look at these chairs here that look inviting, overlooking the water. There's my wife relaxing at the Naval Academy. And there's America's finest right there. Here they come back. They're like running into each other. I don't know how many guys are here and girls, but it's thousands, I think. Oh, and they got a nice gift shop in here in the Navy store. Look at all this Navy memorabilia. Anything Navy related in this place. It is huge. Look at these places right inside the Naval Academy. This is where the captains stay. Here's Captain Wolf. Oh, and you can take a tour through here in electric vehicles. well-marked roads here, but look at the landscaping. Look at this place inside the Navy Academy. If I remember right, we were on a cruise last year, and I think they said the top of this is real gold, but don't quote me on that. And you never know what you're gonna run through here at the Academy. Right here, they're getting ready for a wedding. Oh, and yes, they got a coffee shop in the Naval Academy. It's time for coffee. Look at the size of this tree. In front of the captain's house. All right, look at all these restaurants through here. You can see they block off the street for this. There's so many different places in here. I know we're gonna eat at one of these. There's McGarvey's. Remember we ate there before? And look at all this outdoor seating. And over there they got some live music too. All right, we just got back to McGarvey's. Wait till you see this place. All right, this is the blend soup. It's half cream of crab and half regular crab. And look at the calamari. We've eaten here a few times and we love it. You gonna try that? Oh, look at that. How is that?
Oh, that's amazing tasting.
She said it's amazing. And this is why you come here. They got the best prices of oysters, $1 per oyster. You can't beat it, and they're so fresh. All right, this is what I wanted to show you. It's back in Annapolis. They moved their seafood festival, and if you get to Annapolis at this time of year, you get to see the seafood festival. It's usually in September, but you can see right here all the boats coming in for this thing. It's gonna be a fabulous day. We're gonna take a peek in here and show you what it's all about. All right, we just got in the seafood festival. Let's see what they got over here. I see a bunch of craft stuff, and I don't know what that is. Hot sauces, mixers. There's the basil salt truffle place. Look at that cream of crab soup right there. Sample away. All right, here it is. This is the crab soup cook-off. Back in here's where they got all these crab soups you can taste. Look at that. That looks incredible. Happening. Everybody's getting ready for their winning entries. Look at that big pot. Jesus. Practicing for the show. Oh, and don't worry, adults, they got stuff for the kids here. Bounce houses. Like I said, this is the first time they've had this down here in a while at the harbor in Annapolis. Look at that. These cutting boards are covered in like acrylic, or the whole place is like that. This must be the food aisle. I see Laughing Crab Catering. More down here, Culture Caribbean Cuisine. All right, there's Mason's Lobster Rolls, and here's Jimmy's Seafood. This is where you can get the Maryland steamed crabs, but look at their truck. All right, there it is. My wife got her favorite. What?
My lobster roll.
Her lobster roll. Look at that. That looks pretty good. Oh, and they got live music here. This place is just starting to get ready. All right, this is unique. Deep Eddy's Vodka Tasting Room. Oh, look at that. They got peach. All right, we just stopped at this Green Valley in the Seafood Festival for some crab cakes. Let's see what these are going to be like. All right, we just got these crab cakes. I forget the name of the place, but you'll see this in the video. Look at these monsters. These are 6-ounce crab cakes and the potato salad. And we got the potato wedges. My wife is gonna try one of these cake cookies, or cake, what are they? Cake pops?
So I drink to my freedom and my desire of the mast has been broken and the sails are on fire.
Oh, you you gotta check out Kilwins. This is the candy store, ice cream, all kinds of stuff. There's the fudge. Kilwins, we've had candy in here many times. Look at this place. Kilwins original.
What you got there, honey?
What was it?
It's a Rice Krispie treat, dipped in caramel, rolled in pecans, and drizzled with chocolate.
Wow. Mmm.
Is it good?
That is good. Look at that chocolate in there. Delicious. All right, hon, that's it. It's a wrap. Did you have fun in Annapolis?
Yeah. I'm just tired.
We're tired. It was a long day for sure. Time to get on the road.
Hold on and never give up. You're never alone.